I want to introduce you to an intimate one-on-one coaching program. I want to introduce you to an opportunity for us to launch your first product. Doesn't it make sense to you to use the experience, the expertise, and the expert skills our team have in listing your first product on Amazon? Would you build your own dream house? Or would you get builders to build it for you? That's who we are. We don't build houses, we build Amazon product listings. In fact, the team members who'll be working on your product listing have listed thousands of products, and you'll be harnessing their skills and experience and expertise in listing your product on Amazon. This program comes with additional coaching, one-on-one training, Wednesday live coaching, bonus events, plus we list your first product on Amazon. We do the images, the headline, the copy, the bullet points, the keyword research, and we launch this on Amazon for you. Imagine getting instant feedback from our expert coaches on your product ideas. If you're wanting speed in this Amazon business, if you're wanting a group of professionals who build Amazon product listings day in, day out, then let's get started today, and I'll see you at the top.